Previously on
I haven't slept in 7 years. Been racing my gears. Can't dream my fantasy. Run free.
I leave you on a cliffhanger at the end of this month vlogs. Welcome to the family and hope you enjoy. Package secured. Sorry if I look a little like annoyed or whatever. I kind of am, just because I'm trying to turn in my computer accounting like exam PR. Anyway, so I'm gonna open the Amazon package that I bought today for screen protector and camera screen protector. Y'all guys will see for a moment. Yo! Anyway, so here it is. So let's open this. This is literally the only thing. I was looking at everything. I was like, yes. And I was like, I want something that is going to be delivered today. So, right, I'm about to cut my hand open for this, which I actually have cut my hand open, so it's not really the first time that's happened. So I'm excited for you guys to see the real deal. Sorry, I'm chatting with QuickBooks, like personnel, so that's why I keep looking over here. So let's open this. It's supposed to look like this, is what I'm supposed to, because God knows I've been sucker punched for the order not being what it is. So, oh my goodness, I got a lot of things to put in. These things are huge. Oh, wow. These are glass. What? That's crazy. Okay. Got a little thank you. It comes with 3. Wait, are they different colors? Oh. No. But they're just nice.
Nice.
Nice. That's real nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. This is gonna be exciting. Wait, I didn't even look at the main screen protector. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, so I got, if y'all guys know what privacy screen protectors are, that's what I got. I've had it before, and I love the way they just look and the way they work, because I'm a person who, not like I'm doing anything fishy or suspicious, but I don't like people looking at what I'm doing. So I get privacy screen protectors, and then I could never find one ever again. So I was like, let me just order them. So it comes with 2, and they are black. Look at that. Look at that. Like, you can't see, and yeah, they are mirrored. So I like that too. So this is gonna be exciting. Okay, bye. Yo guys, I have been on the phone with 4 different QuickBook workers and personnel. It's so ridiculous. The last one that I just got off the phone with, I've been on the phone with for almost going on 40 minutes. I finally got it, so now I can finish my exam. Honestly, I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. It took a whole day out of me. Despite that, y'all guys saw the Amazon that came with just the screen protector and stuff like that. Well, the big one, the big reveal came, and I'm about to pick it up, you guys. This box is honestly heavy. It said it's 2 pounds. I'm like, what? 2 pounds? Like, but this thing is heavy. So the ultimate like a Christmas gift to myself, like the big one, came about 20 minutes ago, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is for me to trade in my device. So yeah, I upgraded. It's been going on 5 years. And I said it's time. This one has done me good, has done me right, and I love it. But yeah, so look what came, look what came. Bro. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna put my hand in my face because I got some like. So tonight, I'm gonna see and look at some stores if they have some iPhone 13 Pro Max cases. This is so much bigger than my actual phone that I have now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Yeah, I got the Sierra Blue. This is about to go crazy. And it's quicker on charging, which I still have to get a charging box. So I don't know when I'll do that, but here we go. Flip it over. Right? Oh! I've never been so excited about it. Oh, guys, dude, this thing is huge. Oh, look at this. My stuff doesn't even do it justice. Like, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Like, look how big these cameras are. First off, can we talk about the cameras? Look at that. Like, look at that. Oh, what? Oh my goodness. The port is different from the current one. And okay, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this right here like that. And then the next thing, right? I know it's like really nothing comes in this box anymore. It's just the charging cable. You have to buy the little cube yourself. And then comes with the little Apple. They don't even give you the well, yeah, the manual is so small. Then it just has one Apple now. Like, what? They used to give you two, but now it's one. So that's all it comes in. Kind of boring, you know. I got the 128 gigabytes. So this is 64 gigabytes bigger than what I already have. So this is gonna be amazing. Cut that. So let's go ahead and just take it off. I'm so nervous. What? Who is this? That's why I got the screen protector. So wow. That's absolutely insane. So we're gonna go ahead and honestly apply this. I need like I'll be back, guys.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, so I just finished setting up this, and this camera makes me look better than what I actually look like. So honestly, I might be just filming on this thing, like, not gonna lie.